If your view model is getting recreated in Jetpack Compose, your state will reset and your logic may run again. Let me show you why this happens and how to fix it in less than 5 minutes. Let's say, for example, you have a screen and here is the state counter and the button is incrementing like so. And if the state is changed, like configuration changes, for example, the counter is reset, the state changes, and the counter becomes 0 again because of the configuration changes. Here is the composable where our view model is initialized, and I have printed the log statement here where view model is logged here, and it will print out the memory address of the view model. So when the view model is initialized, its memory address will be printed here, and as soon as we have changed the configuration, it will print its memory address, which means that each time when the configuration changes, new view model is initialized. We can confirm this from the memory address that is printed here. The memory address is changed each time the configuration is changed. So how to fix this? Just we have to update this view model initialization. Replace this equal sign with this and equals view model and remove this curly braces and like so. In this way, this attaches the view model to the life cycle. Now it survives the recompositions, and now let's see whether the state persists or not. And let's clear the logcat. If we increment the counter, and change the configuration, and we can see that counter is still 8 and the memory address is here, and let's change the configuration again, and we can see the memory address is the same, which means that view model is not initialized again and the state stays the same. Now it survives the configuration. If you manually create a view model inside a composable, it will recreate on recomposition. Always use view model, that's it. Short, simple, fixed. If you are building Compose apps seriously, follow for more practical fixes like this. See you in the next one.